you see my face, darling? Do you see my face? I got a box full of stuff. I got a box full of stuff. And it came from Nordstrom Rack. And you about to watch me do my makeup with this box full of stuff that came from Nordstrom Rack. And I tried to do a jingle and it didn't work. It wasn't working at the second line and I should have just stopped there. Oh yes, this video is sponsored by Nordstrom Rack. Hey, what's up with my tops, bottoms, and girls of the world? Kenneth here, and I am back for another video. As you can read below and as you can see, we are about to get ready. Y'all about to get ready with me. Y'all about to watch me get ready. I'm about to tell y'all through the steps of me getting ready today or whatever to achieve this beautiful situation of a bombshell, summer-esque, spring-esque looking look. It's perfect for this time of year. I'm using a whole lot of products that I'm not that familiar with, but I got kind of familiar with it. This video is sponsored by Nordstrom Rack. By the way, I have to let y'all know that. I have to disclose these things. I don't think that my audience is one of those audiences that be tripping off a sponsor. Y'all not one of those audiences. So with that being said, everything that I use in this video did come from Nordstrom Rack. Amazing. Quick little story. I didn't realize that Nordstrom Rack had sold makeup until I believe it was December or early January. I was in the Nordstrom Rack with my sister and niece or whatever when I was visiting home. And girl, I was like, they sell makeup now? Girl, they was about to get me. I was about to go broke. That was my quick story. I just had to tell y'all that. I just felt like I should let y'all know. If this is your first time watching me, please be sure to hit that subscribe button because you won't be disappointed after you hit the subscribe button. Please be sure to give me a big thumbs up because that's just greatly appreciated and it helps me out a ton. After you hit that thumbs up button, I want all y'all watching it. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. And you can also feel free to follow me on all social media networks, such as Instagram and Twitter at HeFlawless the Original. No underscore. I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna let y'all watch me get ready. Have fun. I've already primed my face. I've already done my eyebrows and now it's just time for foundation or whatever. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Longwear Even Finish Foundation. I really like this stuff a lot. Guys, I really do like that foundation. Next, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a little concealer or whatever. This concealer comes from MAC. Yes, Nordstrom Rack carries MAC. They carry Bobbi Brown. They carry all these wonderful brands or whatever, and you get it for a lower price. So that's really a bop. A bop is a good thing for those of you who don't know. Wow, I look real good. This foundation is really popping and it feels like super duper lightweight, so that's my favorite thing. And it's perfect for this time of year because it has SPF in it. And I have used this foundation previously. I've been using it ever since I got it and I've even taken pictures in it. Even with flash and the SPF in it, it doesn't have like the flashback and stuff. So you don't have to worry about that. Next, I'm going to be taking some setting powder or whatever. I got 2 setting powders from Nordstrom Rack and they are the Sheer Finish Loose Powder. My first time trying it, I really fell in love with it and I've been using this ever since I got it. I use the color Golden Orange for all around my face. Then I just go in like with one of my normal setting powders and I just use that under there. Now to bronze up a little bit, I'm actually going to be taking the other powder or whatever. And this one is in basic brown. When I got this in the mail, it was entirely too dark for me, but I still found a perfect use for it. It works so pretty as a bronzer and you about to see what I'm talking about. You see it right there? It's like the slightest bronze and it's so natural. This powder also feels really good like for this time of year because it's like so lightweight. This is like one of the lightest weight powders that I have used in a very long time. I'm gonna go in with the powder and also hit up my nose. Nose is snatch. Y'all know I'm a nose legend. Merch coming soon. Girl, that look a little too snatch. Wait a minute. Girl, it looked like I just left the surgeon. I'm like, oh my God. To make this a little stronger, just so my cheekbones can pop a little more, I'm going to be using this powder from Urban Decay. I am so glad that I found this at Nordstrom Rack. Reason being, I had never tried it before, and I have been using this since I received it. Like, I have just been super excited. Like, girl, it's just amazing. I just want to say this real quick. shout out to Nordstrom for being a plug or whatever, because setting spray get expensive and it was a real good price at Nordstrom, right? I'm real happy about this because this is one of my favorite setting sprays. Drench me, darling, drench me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do eyeshadow first. I picked up a few things. They got the full Urban Decay palette, the Naked palette, amazing. They have the matte quads or whatever. And girl, I really don't know which one I want to use. I don't know where I want to go with my makeup today. I feel like I want it to be like bronze. We turned it into a baddie, okay? We going from bum to baddie. Therefore, I'm gonna use like just this slightest. We're gonna keep it real simple, just like it's a kiss. You just want a kiss of eyeshadow, and that's what we gonna do. I don't even know if I just made sense, but you get what I was trying to say. I'm just gonna rub this across my lid, the other one too, and then I'm gonna take a nice little blendy brush and I'm gonna blend this out. I'm actually gonna go in here in Naked palette and get this like right here, and I'm gonna blend it out. Just like that, just all over the lid. Oh, this is like the perfect little bronzy moment. I don't know what to call it, but it's perfect for this time of the summer and spring here, even though it's snowing in parts of the world, but it's okay. I'm gonna take some of Smog right here and I'm going to rub this down here. I have to zoom y'all in. I don't think y'all know how much I live for this. I live for this. I'm gonna go in with a little mascara. This mascara is the Pro Beyond Twisted Lash. I had never tried this. Go coat this on this lash. Girl, that illuminator got me shining, 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 shining. Yeah, that was so corny. So I went on to put a little blush. I found this at Nordstrom Rack also. This is Out for Fun. It comes from MAC. It's a cream blush. I love cream blushes because cream blushes tend to make you look a little more youthful than like a powdery blush. And it's just like, just subtle enough. Like it's not like overpowering, just crazy or anything. It's like subtle enough. It looks really good. I'm really happy with that. I think the last few things that we have to do is add a lash and add a lip. And I got some products for the lashes and the lips. I feel so loopy today for some reason, and I hate it. I mean, I'm kind of loving it because I feel good, but I feel loopy. Does that make any sense now? Okay. So the lashes I got, girl, Nordstrom got some good lashes. I was so excited when I see these lashes, baby. Oh, the velour lashes, you can use, I remember I had a pair of velour lashes before, and I used them for up to 20 times, and I got them for a very good price at Nordstrom Rack. Which ones do I want to use? They're both kind of dramatic. I feel like being dramatic today, though. I don't see why not. We can be dramatic. Can we be dramatic? Can we go for these? Or they're both very dramatic. There is not that huge of a difference. I don't know which ones I want to use. This is like the hardest choice that I have made in life. Well, these are 100% silk. Okay, I need to go to Nordstrom Rack today, actually. I need to go back because I need to see if they got more of these. I'm gonna use these. These are calling my name for some reason. I don't know why, but they're calling my name, so I'm gonna use these. So lashes are on. I think I'm in love with the fact that these are not as dramatic as I thought they were going to be. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this in my inner corner. I'm gonna take this gold right here and I'm gonna put it right in the inner corner to open the eyes up a little bit. If you never knew what adding stuff to the inner corner like does, it opens up the eyes a little bit. Not that you probably even noticed, but whatever. Well, I also want to intensify this highlight just a little bit, and I'm gonna put some on. Ooh! But the last thing I'm going to do is go in with a lippy. Y'all, I didn't know that Glam Glow made lippies. I really didn't. So I'm excited about this. I was so excited when I seen this on NordstromRack.com, girl. I was like, Glam Glow made lippies. I like a lippy, girl. So let's try it out. This is the Glam Glow Plump Rageous Matte Lip Plumper Treatment. It's a lip plumper treatment too. My lips don't really need no plumping, but we gonna plump them. It's literally so pretty. This look is just really, I really like truly love this look, like a lot. It's so simple, but it's so sickening, and it's perfect for like every day. I'm gonna go in with a little more setting spray. Is my face dry? I think my face dry. My face dry, I'm done. And that, you guys, is how I achieve this look. It's very, very simple. It's more easier than it look, or maybe I just made it look easy. Y'all comment down below and y'all be the judge of that and let me know. If y'all enjoyed this, comment down below, let me know. Like this video. Remind you that everything on that I used in this video came from Nordstrom Rack. Everything except the lash glue and what else didn't come from Nordstrom Rack? Everything but the lash glue and the primer, which was just a basic moisturizer. As always, be sure to flip your hair. Even if you do not have any hair, be sure to flip it after you get done flipping your hair. Make sure you feel like you are that girl, because we are all those girls of the world. Even if you do not feel like you are that girl, I'm here to tell you that you are that girl. If you feel like you are that girl, continue being that girl, because we are all those girls of the world. I love all of my KenDolls so much, and I will see all of my babies in the next video. As always, stay flawless.